You've written recently about a topic that I think is obviously the meat of what you've recently done, which is work around data ops. And this is a new term, or at least a relatively new term. Tell us about sort of what data ops is and how you got interested in it.
Yeah, so data ops is really the engineering and practices of designing and developing data capabilities, launching them, out to production, and ensuring that they're providing value and delivering on the outcomes that businesses expect and being able to use that data. It's the technical side of data, which I haven't always, from a practice perspective, concentrated on in my research. And yet, in conversations, and certainly as we've, been going through, new thought processes, new ways of operating, new technologies. The mantra of the business owns the business owns the data, or business owns data governance. It really obfuscated the challenges that the IT organization had and was going through to keep up with the business demand to be a data-driven or an insight-driven organization. And it was causing a lot of sort of introspection within the data management organizations on, like, what is really the best approach to democratizing data, to enabling the self-service, bringing shadow IT around data and analytics out into the open and use that as a formal operating model. But how do you collaborate and coordinate in there to assure your data and and create clarity and value from it? And so it was really sort of backfilling what I felt was a gap in my own understanding of, there's still this big IT thing sitting out there. It's the 500-pound gorilla that we need to talk about again. And that's where the data ops research really, came into being.